Let's close the door first. Hello, welcome to my room. This side is my bed. Okay, show a little, not too much. And then come here, just a little bit. Welcome to my closet space. Is my colored jeans, pants, and then like baju bercolor and hoodie. The
accessory.
Yes lah, macam tu lah. I have my rings, my facial products, perfume of the year, box of leggings and everyday pants. So this is my favorite part, obviously, all my black outfits. I have my hats here from my friend, and then a belt, shoes, as you can see, almost all black. A sudden think of almari. This is underwear mostly. Don't come too close. I have other colored clothing.
Messy.
No, I don't.
So messy.
I don't lipat my baju. What's the problem? It's also colored clothing. My pajama, tidur, and then here are random stuff. Come here. A little closer. So the mirror is bubble. I have my hand cream, lipsticks I wear, sikat, comb, my window, the big closet. Welcome to my closet. The funny thing is, I hate pink, right? As you can see, I have all black. But mostly my baju are pink. Like this is pink, and then selang sikit pink, and then another pink,
red,
and then pink. I don't know. I buta color right now because I haven't gone out of the house for a while. I have a jacket. This side is my Adidas side, or there's also Nike in there. We have the tandas, bathroom,
Toilet.
washroom, everything you can have is in here. It's pink, which is lovely. I love pink. This is my computer place, and the chair is out of place. I stole it from my mom's room. Sebab kerusi before ni dah patah. I don't know what happened there. It just patah.
You patahkan?
Yes. Let's hope I don't break this chair lah, but because it's kayu. Library area, and also my tempat semayang area. So the books I'm currently reading. I'm not joking. You know, we cannot go out.
So berangan lah.
Yeah, berangan.
Okay.
And then my baju tidur is pink. Kenapa bila anak kamu semua pink lah? This is my go-to shoes. This is my favorite area lah. My bags, there's only one color. I think that's basically my room. I know I hate the color too. But I did not have a choice. My dad just decided he wanted to barge into my room, and then dia colour bilik ada hijau sama dengan surau rumah.
Extra pink.
Yeah, that was extra pink. I was excited because I thought I get colour I want. The next day I come back home, it was this colour.
Ta-da!
It hurts my eyes. Pintu kuning pun cat lebih juga daripada surau. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye. Sini pun pink juga. Apa masalahnya? I feel like Rama dah tak buat video lah. Sejak awkward buat kat dalam rumah. Jangan dekat sangat, terlalu banyak habuk.
Patutnya sapu dulu.
Yeah. My sister said I look like orang gaji. So don't come too close.
Can I close it?
Ow. Jangan tunjuk akak je lah. Seksi akak ni. Jangan tunjuk tu baju. Itu basket baju foto. Wait. Okay, baju raya tak ada dalam ni untuk tahun ni. Okay.